What is the most important job of any investor? Hey, hi, I'm Ronald Kagape, and I'm here to talk to you about what is the most important thing that investors should focus on. Now, a lot of investors make the mistake of looking for high ROI or high return investments. So they think that if you find these investments, you'll that's how you make a lot of money. Uh, but the truth is, Warren Buffett said it, uh, Donald Trump said it. Well, the number one job of any investor is don't lose money. Yes, so Warren Buffett said it best. Rule number one, don't lose money. Rule number two, see rule number one, right? Uh, Donald Trump also had his own take, in his book, The Art of the Deal. If you take care of the downside, the upside will take care of itself. So as long as you make investments that don't lose you money, then whatever the ROI is, and whatever the reward is, it will just automatically grow. Because there are people, there are investors that they make a lot of money, but they lose it, yeah, in the next deals or somewhere else. So if you don't take care of the risks, if you don't take care of the downside, whatever your ROI is, it's worthless. Whatever your return is, however high that is, it's worthless if you don't take care of the downside. All right. So your job number one, the most important thing that you should focus on as an investor is to don't lose money. So you need to learn how to manage risk. Okay. So now, if you like this video, if you learned something, please subscribe to the Dealmaker channel to get more real estate tips. Again, I'm Ronald Kagape. I'm the author of the book No Money Down Formula in Real Estate, and I encourage you to make deals and grow rich.